frequency to wash your hair depends on so many things, right? So welcome to another episode of As the Trichologist. I'm so excited to be here doing this with you. My name is Atilola. I am the Trichologist at the Trichologist. You can always find us on all our social media platforms at Ask the Trichologist, on YouTube, on Instagram, on TikTok, on Facebook. Everywhere it's Ask the Trichologist. So today I am going to be answering a question, but before I answer the question today, I want you to please like this video, share, subscribe, click on the notification bell, and drop a comment in the comment section. Okay, so today I'm going to be taking a question from Yemisi. Yemisi is from Akure in Nigeria, and she's asking, Atilola, please, what is the ideal frequency for washing my hair? What's the ideal frequency for washing my hair? Okay, this is quite a simple question. When I mean simple question, I mean straightforward question, right? Ideal time to wash your hair, ideal frequency to wash your hair depends on so many things, right? So if your hair is very short and you're not doing anything to your hair, it's you can wash your hair every day, right? However, I want to assume that you're asking this question because maybe your hair is long or is medium, and you actually wash your hair, treat your hair, go the whole 9 yards to your hair, right? And you want to know whether you have to be doing this every single time, right? So the ideal frequency for when you should wash your hair is actually well, it depends. So if you have a hairstyle on, right, you can maybe you use extensions, right? In the long term, you can actually stretch your hair to about 4 weeks, right? Even though it's risky because you know all the dirt and everything that have gathered. Let's say you fixed an extension that you are supposed to carry for 6 months. You know these long-term extensions, right? Those ones that you're supposed to carry for a very long time. You can wash your hair every 4 weeks or every 3 weeks, right? 4 weeks is good. 4 weeks is good. Hello, I'm quickly interrupting this video to let you know that if you have hair loss issues or scalp disorders, we have convenient trichology solutions available for you no matter where you are in the world. If you are in the US, we have mobile trichology services available for you where we'll conveniently come to your home to offer these solutions to you, and you don't have to stress yourself coming to meet us at our hair clinic. We also offer worldwide virtual trichology services. You see, I have mastered the art of delivering results to my clients without having to necessarily be in the same location with them. I use hair coaching services like hair loss masterminds, regimen development, hair loss products, which will ship to you wherever you are in the world while holding your hands all through the process, ensuring that you get the results you desire. We have services like micro needling, high frequency treatment, low level laser therapy, post-surgery management, and so much more. So wherever you are, we have a plethora of options for you to get the solution you seek for your hair loss issues. And if you are confused about which of our services to book, you can get on a free 15-minute clarity call with us where we can guide you to choose the one that is suitable for you. Go to askthetrichologist.com or check the description box below and get your hair loss issues and scalp disorders sorted out. Now, let's get back to the video. Then if you have locks, you can also do every 4 weeks, right? It depends on the situation, that's the truth, right? But ideally, once in 2 weeks is good. Ideally, washing your hair under normal circumstances, once in 2 weeks is ideal. Every week might be too much. Washing your hair every week, as somebody that has long hair, that's too much. That's too much. Every 2 weeks is actually ideal. Let's say maybe you are somebody who does twists, you do flat twists, you're just the regular person. You don't have extensions on, you just have long hair, you style your hair, you cater for your hair. once in 2 weeks is actually ideal. But for unique situations, once in 3 weeks, once in 4 weeks is actually okay. So that's that. I don't. Yeah, it was a very straightforward question. Just look at what is on your head, what works for you, how busy you are, right, and do this thing that you need to do. But the ideal is once in 2 weeks, because it helps you get rid of all the dirt that have been gathered in those weeks. The products and everything, the products that you have used to clog your hair, used to clog your scalp, and all those things. So yes, I'm sure this was a short one, but I hope it helped you. So if you want hair loss issues sorted out, you want solutions for your scalp disorders, you want to grow your hair long, regimen development, everything, book one of our services in the comment section below or in the description box below, and book an appointment with us, and then we'll see you and be able to sort it out. Before you go, I want you to like, share, subscribe, click on the notification bell, drop a comment for us in the comment section, and we will see you. Like, share, subscribe, notification, comment, yes. And I will see you in the next episode. Bye.